Hello, Mzansi. Welcome back to Top Mzansi Entertainment. Now, the sad news of Tulani Mngomezulu has gotten us all sad. Now, Tulani Mngomezulu is a defense or was a defense lawyer in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. He's since passed away as of about 18 hours ago. His family confirmed this. Now, Mngomezulu represented Sibia, who is accused of confessing to Meyiwa's murder. Now, according to a statement from his wife, Dumisile Mngomezulu, the lawyer died in hospital in the early hours of Tuesday. Now, the family shared in a statement, about their sorrow, and it read, "It is with deep sadness that we announce the passing of our dear husband, father, and son. We confirm his untimely death in the early hours of December the 10th, 2024, at a hospital in Vosloorus. They requested privacy to deal with, the news in a difficult time, and added, we ask for compassion, space, and time as we come together as a family to make decisions in the coming days. We appreciate the love and support and ask that you continue to keep us in your prayers." Now, Mngomezulu had been following court proceedings from home for several weeks due to illness. He had initially joined the trial last year and earlier this year had expressed concerns about his safety. He had claimed that there were two suspicious people that had visited his home. Now, on the day of his passing, the Pretoria High Court was actually hearing cross-examination of lead investigator Gininda, but a session was adjourned for an early lunch and it actually didn't continue after that. Now, social media is just a buzz about this, and a lot of people are obviously upset and just sad because he was a really good lawyer, and it seemed like he was he was doing well, and he had a lot of things that he was going to unearth. So that's just the feeling of a lot of people on social media. And also people have just like expressing, especially on X, they're expressing their disappointment, when it comes to Judge Rata, who allegedly was just very harsh on Mngomezulu when, he couldn't make it to court because he was sick. It seemed as though, people are just like feeling like the judge was not sympathetic. In fact, allegedly he was very like harsh and like seemed to not believe that he was indeed sick. And recently also, shortly after the news broke out of Mngomezulu's death, Zandile Khumalo's younger sister, Zandile Khumalo, posted a video on Instagram, on her Instagram page, where allegedly he is celebrating the death of Tulani Mngomezulu. Of course, she does not explicitly say this. It's, people on social media are just like speculating that this is what she's doing. It's a mess. She's listening to a song on the video about the consequences of engaging in a battle with someone. Now, social media, is a buzz as well about this because it seems like he's rejoicing. And it sparked a lot of reaction from people. And Zandi, we all know, has been recently made a statement saying that Senzo Meyiwa's wife should be investigated as well, and she was very unapologetic about that. So people are just like hurting and angry and everything in between. It's so sad. It's not nice. The case has just been going on for so long. It seemed like it was at least getting momentum and something was happening already. The trial was set in motion and everything was going, and now these news. But also, it's not nice anyway to just for someone to die like this. It does, I'm not gonna lie, it does seem a bit dodgy, it does seem weird, because he had expressed concerns, of like feeling unsafe or, so this whole case is just like, there's so much going on. It's not a surprise when someone doesn't feel safe engaging in this case as a lawyer or anyone else. And so also it raises these questions of, are we going to see, you know, someone else take up the case? How long is that going to take? Probably, yes, there will be another lawyer who's standing as in the defense, but how long is that going to take? And is this going to drag even more the case that already been dragging to just come to court, to just be heard in the court of law? So many questions. Yeah, guys, but that's it for me for now. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.